Today we'll discuss about capacitor. What is a capacitor? Capacitor has two metal plates with an insulated medium. This is represented by C. This is insulated medium. Insulated medium. This permittivity is known as K. K. The C is basically epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon equal to epsilon naught epsilon R. Capacitance. A is the area of plates. D is distance between plates. Yes. Value of epsilon naught is permittivity in vacuum. This is capacitance. AC capacitance. You can charge a capacitor by voltage by using a battery. C is a capacitor. If it is connected to a battery of 6 volt, then this will be positive charged, this will be negative charged. C is equal to Q by V. Charge it to potential difference. Charge it to potential difference. C is equal to Q by V. You know the charge, you can find out the potential difference. Charge means the flow of electrons. Charge means flow of current. Charge means flow of current. Q is equal to IT, current in the time. Current in time is flow of electrons. Electrons traveling in this direction. Electrons traveling in this direction. Current is in this direction. Current opposite direction. We place two charges. Positive charge at the center. Electric field is 0. The center. At center. If it is D, this is D by 2. Okay. Center, this 0. Okay. I think these are the fundamentals. Now capacities. It blocks DC, conduct AC. Blocks DC, conduct AC, leads voltage by 90 degree. capacitance. Capacitor series. We know the resistance in series is R1 plus R2 plus R3, etc. Capacitor in series means C1, C2, C3, etc. in series. 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Like that. Two capacitors taken in series, C1 and C2. Then this C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. Reserve it to C current. C current. Now, capacitors in parallel. C1, C2. In parallel. C1, C2. C1 plus C2. So capacitors in parallel C1 plus C2 is C equivalent. Okay. Now we see. Now we will go to a problem. See. We like current. In resistors or circuit. Resistors or in circuits. Capacitor has charge. Charge is in a capacitors, in a series of capacitor circuit. Circuits is same. So see the current and resistance or in circuit capacitor has charge. Charge in a series capacitor circuits are same. The current capacitors also charge in a capacitor. Charge in a capacitor circuit is same. Now we see capacitors. We know capacitors conduct AC. So let us see a little more about capacitor, that is an AC circuit. What is an AC circuit? If a sine wave, AC circuit is called V is equal to V0 sine omega t. That means it has a frequency like this. This is an AC circuit frequency. It will increase maximum, come to 0, decrease max minimum, decrease to maximum value, and again 0. So this is called one cycle. Then omega is angular frequency and is called 2 pi f frequency. Normally for our AC circuit 50 Hz is used. So we consider for our applications 50 Hz frequency as 50 Hz. What about a DC circuit? A DC circuit has constant voltage. If you see 12 volt, it is constant. Everywhere 12 volt. 12 volt DC circuit. Everywhere 12 volt. No change. It will not come to zero. It will be 12 volt everywhere. But in AC circuit, this will come to zero and go to maximum and minimum. So DC is more, if the voltage is more, it will be danger than AC. Danger than AC, okay. Now what about a capacitor? See, if you see a circuit, a resistance, a capacitance, and also we have inductance. RCL. Resistance means the voltage will be in phase with the current. That means voltage and current will be in same phase. Only the drop across resistance will be taken into account. When we taken about the capacitor, this is the voltage across a resistor is taken, then capacitor voltage will lead exactly 90 degree. If only capacitor, then this capacitor voltage will be 90 degree leading. And what about the inductance? VR is taken as reference, then inductor will exactly lag. Real inductance will exactly lag 90 degree. So you can understand. So this is a question. This is just for understanding. We will go in detail later. But for understanding only, I use. So Kirchhoff's law is valid in capacitor circuit also. That is the law of conservation of charge and law of conservation of energy. Here it is valid. No. Let us take a problem. If you have a problem we see, if you have a 10 volt capacitor with 1 microfarad, and there is 2 microfarad and capacitor. This is 2 microfarad, and this is a capacitor with connected to ground. Connected to ground. Then what is the voltage across the voltage across the 1 microfarad capacitor? So you have to find out voltage across 1 microfarad capacitor. Come to the question. Now voltage across 1 microfarad you have to find out. For that, see here, this is 4 volt. If it is 4 volt, now we will see. Now we will see how to solve the problem. For solving, resistance of these are the charge across Q. Here let us consider Q dash. Here let us consider Q double dash. Here it is 2 microfarad. Then what happens is Q plus Q dash plus Q double dash is equal to 0. Q plus Q dash plus Q dash. Now Q plus Q dash plus Q double dash is equal to 0. You see Q is the voltage, charge across this capacitor. This is charge across this capacitor and this is charge across this capacitor. How can you find the charge? We will go, we know the equation Q is equal to CV. So we know the capacitance and we know the voltage across each capacitor. Then we can find out, we can write the equation. So let us see. So first, we know here 10 volt is here. Here it is, let us say V volt. So 10 minus V is the voltage across this capacitor, and this capacitance is 1 microfarad. So we can say 1 into 10 minus V plus 1 into 10 minus V plus, now 2 into 4 minus V. Here it is 4V and here it is V, 4V minus V, 4 minus V, 4 volt minus voltage V. Let it be V with the voltage here, 4 minus V, 4 minus V. Then here it is 0. Grounded means voltage will be 0, and V, it will be V minus 0, that is V. So plus, we can take V into 2 into V or V into 2, okay, for that same. So what is we are getting? So let me see. Here is this. Here it is. Sorry, here it is 7 microfarad. Okay, so that is 7V. The equation is CV. We know here this 10 is here. Let us take V here. 4 is here. So here is 0 volt. Now the equation is, we have to find the difference between this. V minus 10. We take 1 into capacitance, 1 into V minus 10. V minus 10. With respect to this point we are taking V minus 10 and then V minus 4. 2 microfarad. Plus 2 into V minus 4. Again plus V minus 7. Sorry, V minus 0 into 7, that is 7V equal to 0. Now what we are getting is, V minus 10 plus 2V minus 8 plus 7V is equal to 0. That is E plus 2V, 3V, 6, 7V, 8, 10V. 10V is equal to 10 minus 10 minus 18. So V is equal to 18 by 10. That is 1.8. And you know, what is this? We have to find the voltage across. So it is volt. 1.8 volt is the voltage across this this voltage. Not, you have to find out the voltage at this point. Okay. Let us see what voltage across one. No, they not. You can find voltage across one make, but what we have to find voltage at window. Okay, and we are getting 1.8 volt. We find the voltage across this 1.8 minus 10. That will be the voltage across this. Okay.
What's one country அவங்க பிளான் பண்ணி பண்ணலாம் தானா உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் நல்ல விஷயம் அந்த மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறாங்க லெதர் ஃபேக்ட்ரி சாயர் பட்டறை கிடையாது இல்லை அலோவ் பண்ணவே இல்லை கவர்மெண்ட் டே ஒன்லேயே அலோவ் பண்ணல இதுவுமே ஃபாரின்லாமே ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் இந்த ரூல்ஸ். அவங்க தான் இஷ்டத்துக்கு கட்டுறாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி